In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to share Google Drive folder link. So let's say I have to share this folder link to my friend. So first of all, you have to click on these three dots here. Now you have to click on this share option here. After that, now you have to click on this option here. Now you will see this interface in your phone screen. After that, you have to click on this option here, and here you have to click on this viewer option. After that, this was updating, sorry, and after updating this option, you have to click again on this option. So now you can copy this file link and share to your friends in WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, any app you want. So that's how you can share your Google Drive folder link. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.